welcome back with me. Today we're going to do really simple and easy yoga poses suitable for beginners level. Enjoy! Now let's start in your easy pose. Cross your legs, sit tall, relax the shoulders, relax your hands to knees, and start to close your eyes as you bring stillness to your body. Bring your right hand to chest and left hand to belly. Now let's practice your deep breaths. Inhale through the nose, feel the expansion of the belly. And as you exhale, squeeze the belly in as you empty the breath. Breathe in. Use your right hand to relax your chest. And breathe out. Feel that squeezing of the belly in with your left hand. Inhale through the nostrils. And exhale, palms to prayer. Now raise both arms high overhead, look up, lengthen, inhale. Exhale to your heart center. Let's do that for 2 more rounds. Circle your arms high and down to the heart. Inhale, raise both arms up. And exhale. Just release your left hand down the mat, lengthen straight on the right and bend to the left side, feeling that side body stretch. You can go further if you want to deepen that stretch. Now raise both arms high, inhale, exhale, lower the right hand down and bend to the right side. Keep both hips flat to the mat. Feel free to lower the elbows down and slowly go up. Back to center. Facing your chest to the left, lower both hands down the ground, lift to inhale, and exhale, twist. You can use your right hand, press it to the left knee, and bring your left hand to the front of your right thigh. Lengthen, inhale, exhale, back to center. Raise both arms up, you may look up, inhale. Exhale, open the chest to the right and gently twist. Drop your hands down. You may use your left hand and clip it to your right knee to deepen that twist. And right hand behind you or all the way to the front of the opposite thigh. Inhale here and exhale back to center. Arms up high, inhale. Exhale, drop it down to the knees. And let's do your seated cat and cow. As you inhale, push your chest forward, look up. Exhale, round the back. Breathe in, open the heart up, look up. Exhale, squeeze the belly in and round. I'll just move so you can see me sideways. On your inhale, open the chest forward. And exhale, fully round the back as you go back to your neutral spine. Now send the arms towards the back, all the way to the back. Lift your heart up, slight bend to the back. Inhale, exhale, fold and walk your hands towards the top of the mat. Just enough for you to really feel like good stretch to the torso. If you can go deeper, drop the chest down or just stay wherever you are in your practice today. Now go up, back to center. And let's shift to your cobbler's pose. Bring the soles of the feet together. Let's start to warm up the hip joints here. Hands to feet and just flap your legs to the side like a butterfly. Keep your arms towards the feet. Maintain the rhythm of your breath. Inhale and exhale. Steady. You may press your knees down to maybe add more stretch to the hips. I'd like you to keep your torso erect as we bring that circular motion to the chest. Feel movement to your hips, hip joints, actively pressing your hips and knees down. Reverse that cycle. 2 long breaths. And gently back to center. Okay, you have the option to bring your feet closer to the groin or loosen them forward. Inhale, lengthen. Bring your 2 fingers to your big toes and then fold as you hinge from the hips. Take your time, keep the spine long, avoid rounding the back, and go deeper with each exhale. 1 full breath. And then release back to center, knees together, and just adjust. Come to the middle of the mat, hug your knees to chest. Now set your feet apart, hands towards the back, fingers pointing forward. Lift your hips high to your reverse table. Keep your neck in line with your spine. Keep pressing through your palms and your feet. Lift the hips higher, and then slowly release it down the mat. Practicing your boat, lift your feet high, parallel your legs to the mat. You can send your arms to the back to give you support to your torso, or rest your hands under the thighs and keep your spine long, steady. Now cross your legs, hands beside the hips as you lift your hips high to decompress your spinal cord and release it down the mat. Let's do that for one more round. Lift your feet up higher, maybe this time. And again, just release your hands down the mat behind you to support your body, or start to challenge yourself as you float your hands alongside the legs. Hard up here, engage the belly and thighs. Great. Now cross your legs, hands beside the hips, and decompress the spine. Release. Now let's shift to your Vajrasana as we work on further to your shoulders. Relax to sit your hips onto the heels. Raise both arms overhead on an inhale. You may gaze up as long as you're not feeling any pain to the neck. Exhale, palms to prayer to your heart center. Raise both arms up. Inhale and hug the elbows behind your head. Really feel that good stretch to the chest and the shoulders. Arms down. Use your forearms to support your lower back. Bend backwards, look up, inhale. Now exhale, gently release and raise both arms up, lengthen. Exhale, cactus the arms, bend the elbows 90 degrees. Elbows shoulder level here. Inhale. As you exhale, squeeze the shoulder blades to the back. Maybe slight bend to your lumbar. And exhale, palms together, elbows together. Do that for 2 more rounds. Inhale, exhale, breathe in, open the heart forward, and exhale, widen the shoulder blades to the back. Great. Now gently release your hands towards the back. Maybe walk further as we stretch your spine. Look up, inhale. Now exhale. You can also interlace your fingers if you can go deeper, or just release the hands down the mat and use it to support your shoulders. Now on your next exhale, lower the chest and top of the thighs. Relax the forehead down, releasing your arms alongside the body. Now hands beside the knees, lift your torso up. Palms together, namaste. So that was it. Thank you, and I hope you like your practice today. Please do subscribe, like, and share for others to also start your practice as well. See you again next time. Bye.